Your brain lies to you for 8 hours a day, and understanding that one fact is all you need to finally get surrealism. Every single night, your brain produces the weirdest movie in the world, and you are its only audience. In these movies, fish give you advice, clocks melt like cheese, and you can fly, but only on Tuesdays. It's totally illogical, but it feels real. What if I told you that tapping into that exact feeling, that strange dream logic, was the key to one of the most important art movements in history? Well, it is, and it's called Surrealism. The name itself is a clue. Sur is French for above. Surrealism literally means above reality. Artists in the 1920s believed that our normal, logical, vacant reality was just the boring tip of the iceberg. They were obsessed with what was hidden underneath, the unconscious mind. That's where all the interesting stuff lives. Our hidden memories, our secret desires, and especially our bizarre dreams. They decided their art should follow one simple rule. Don't paint what you see with your eyes. Paint what you find when your logical brain is turned off. A few top influencers really defined this style. The most famous was the guy with the incredible mustache, Salvador Dalí. He painted these melting clocks. But this painting isn't actually about clocks. It's about how time feels in a dream, all stretched out, slow and wobbly. Then there was Max Ernst, who created new painting techniques to bypass his conscious mind. He would do things like rub pencils over wood floors to create textures, and then turn those textures into strange, dreamlike creatures and landscapes. He wasn't planning it. He was discovering the art. And finally, there was René Magritte. He painted in a super realistic style, but put ordinary things in completely impossible situations. Like here, with a normal man whose face is hidden by a floating apple. He wanted his art to feel like a bizarre puzzle with no right answer, just like a dream. So the next time you see a piece of art that makes no logical sense, remember your own dreams. The artist isn't showing you the real world. They are showing you the hidden one. Surrealism is the art of making the strange and impossible look real by exploring dreams and the unconscious mind. I hope you enjoyed this video. If your brain feels even slightly upgraded, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now it's your turn to go confuse someone with what you just learned. Thanks for watching.